Hello students, today's topic is meiosis. Meiosis is a second type of cell division in which one parent cell divides into four daughter cells with half the number of chromosomes. It is not like that the parent cell will divide directly into four daughter cells. First it will divide into two with half the number of chromosomes. If we take the example of human cells where there are 23 pairs or 46 chromosomes, that will divide into two cells having 23 chromosomes each, and then these two will further divide into two each, that is ultimately the four daughter cells. These cells will act as parent cell for these cells. We can see here the number of chromosomes in parent cell and the daughter cells, that remains same, and here the number of chromosomes in parent cell and the daughter cells, that is reduced to half. So a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form four daughter cells with half the number of chromosomes, this is called meiosis. It is further divided into two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, it consists of karyokinesis and then cytokinesis, that is division of nucleus and division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis is further divided into prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1. Here the prophase is longer and it is further subdivided into 5 stages: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin and diakinesis. It means here in meiosis 1, first of all there will be leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin, diakinesis, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, it will go to. After it there will be cytokinesis, that is the cytoplasm will divide and we will get two cells. Then these two cells will undergo meiosis 2 and again there will be karyokinesis, first division of nucleus and then division of cytoplasm. Here karyokinesis also consists of prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2, and followed by the cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. Meiosis 2 is exactly similar to mitosis, which we have done, because here the parent cell and the daughter cells, they have same number of chromosomes. So this meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis. So this will not be done in detail. We will be discussing meiosis 1. In meiosis 1 there is prophase 1. In prophase 1, the first stage is leptotene. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus, they begin to disappear. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus, they begin to disappear. Centrioles, they divide into two, they start moving towards their opposite poles. Ester formation takes place, that is the microtubules from the skeleton, they arrange themselves surrounding the centriole, forming a star-like structure. This is called ester. The chromatin material, chromatin network uncoils and each chromosome appears to be a long, thin, thread-like structure, and if we see through the microscope, the chromosomes, they show beaded appearance on them. Beaded like जैसे किसी धागे में मोती पिरोए हो. If we see through microscope, leptotene stage, it is seen like this, like a beaded appearance. The chromatin material uncoils, chromosomes become visible under light microscope, and the compaction of chromosome continues, means they start getting shorter. The second stage is zygotene. In zygotene, pairing of homologous chromosomes takes place. We know that chromosomes, they occur in pairs, they exist in pairs, लेकिन न्यूक्लियस में ये जो पेयर्स हैं ये कभी भी इकट्ठे नहीं होते, ये हमेशा अलग अलग होते हैं। तो जाइगोटीन इज द स्टेज वेयर द पेयर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स दे कम टुगेदर एंड बाकी सारी जाइगोटीन इज द ओनली स्टेज व्हेन द होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम्स दे पेयर. So this pairing of homologous chromosomes, this process is called synapsis, and the paired homologous chromosome is called bivalent or it is called dyad. The process of pairing up of the homologous chromosome, it is called synapsis, and the paired homologous chromosome is called bivalent or dyad. Esther is moving towards the opposite pole, and this is next stage is the Pachytene stage. In Pachytene stage, the chromatids, these chromatids in the zygotine stage, they split up longitudinally जैसे ये था तो ये सेंटर में से ऐसे दो में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, ऐसे दो में. तो these chromatids on the chromosomes they split up longitudinally, length wise जो है ये बीच में से डिवाइड हो जाता है. Now each pair of homologous chromosome it appears to have 4 chromatids. कितने पहले कितने थे? दो क्रोमेटिड थे होमोलोगस पेयर पे, अब कितने हो गए? 4. एंड दिस लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ टेट्राड और क्वाड्रावेलेंट. दिस इज द स्टेज एट विच द क्रॉसिंग ओवर टेक्स प्लेस. क्रॉसिंग ओवर क्या है? देखो, जैसे कि ये होमोलोगस पेयर था, इस होमोलोगस पेयर को अगर हम ऐसे हॉरिजॉन्टली ड्रॉ करें, क्रोमेटिड्स ऑन वन क्रोमोसोम दे आर कॉल्ड सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स. यानी कि इस सेंट्रोमियर पे ये वाला जो क्रोमेटिड है, दिस एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड. सिमिलरली अगर हम इसको ये दिखाएं तो दिस क्रोमेटिड ऑन दिस सेंट्रोमियर एंड दिस क्रोमेटिड, these two are sister chromatids, these two are sister chromatids. Exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatids. ये दोनों सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड थे क्योंकि ये इस सेंट्रोमियर पे, ये दोनों सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड थे इस सेंट्रोमियर पे. अगर हम एक ये लें और एक ये लें तो ये क्या होंगे? नॉन सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड्स. Exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatids of homologous pair of chromosome, this process is called crossing over. And the point where the exchange of genetic material takes place is called chiasma or it is chiasmata. After the exchange of genetic material we can see ये यहाँ से ब्रेकअप हो जाएगा, यहाँ से इधर तक ये इतना आया और बाकी कौन सा पोर्शन आ जाएगा इसका? दूसरी वाली आर्म का. एंड इन द सेकेंड होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम इट विल हैव, तो वी कैन सी दैट एक्सचेंज ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल टेक्स प्लेस इन द पैकिटीन स्टेज. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस स्टेज. नेक्स्ट इज, और एक से ज़्यादा कियाज़मा भी बन सकते हैं. The exchange of genetic material can take place at more than one places. You can see there are 2 chiasms. Then we have the next stage called diplotin. In diplotin there is dissolution of chiasma or this is called synaptonemal complex. यानी ये जो कियाज़मा था, ये जो एक्स शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर है, ये कैसे, ये कहाँ, ये पीछे 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 की तरफ जाना शुरू करेगा. कैसे? इफ दिस इज द स्टेज, तो ये जो था कियाज़मा इट विल मूव लाइक दिस. जो ये यहाँ पर थे, दिस टर्मिनलाइजेशन ऑफ कियाज़मा टेक्स प्लेस एंड इफ वी सी थ्रू माइक्रोस्कोप तो हमें क्रोमोसोम्स कैसे नजर आएंगे, ऐसे एक्स शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स. दिस synaptonemal complex or chiasma, it is moving towards the terminals or the ends like this. And in the diakinesis stage ये जो कियाज़मा है ये रिमूव हो जाता है एंड द क्रोमोसोम्स दे अपीयर टू बी लाइक राउंडेड और सच स्ट्रक्चर्स विद almost no chiasma. This is how the prophase 1 takes place.